Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to discuss how to recover your disabled Instagram account. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head on over to your mobile device and launch Instagram. Once it's opened, tap on the login button and select the option to create a new username. Make sure to use a valid email address when prompted. After you've entered your email, go ahead and send a password reset link to your inbox. Now open up your email and click on that password reset link. Enter the new password and get back into Instagram using your new credentials. So now, you've successfully recovered your account. But then wait, there's more to prevent any future issues. Go to Settings and turn off two-factor authentication if it's enabled. This way, you won't be facing any hiccups when trying to log in from a different device. And that's it for today's video. I hope these steps help you recover your disabled Instagram account and keep it running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.